Obende. What group happened anymore? Which should not have happened in the same in the first place. And I don't want to do a Kenufuriata. Say, Kenufuriata ko fa lawyer be a lawyers no. If we ask omo ye, chess omo ye. Top notches. Lawyers say, cause we are seeing na lawyer mu lawyer no. Ebi no Kenufuriata ko fa. Never man some na ye din. Also, obey the best. Addo has someone say, so when Jimmy prove say Addo for 47 million, cry no prove say Addo for Ghana 1 CD cry or achieve the aim. Abba. Politicians in TRD we as say. Me nim say Ghana high or political party or lifespan. 4 years. Abro so atwamwa no 8 years. But President Mahama otisunei am ye hunu say one term cry it me 2 am na ye one term it me 2 oba one term na say Ghana for so modern monzo ania it me 2
abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so but mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba osonsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofen apeso boan which are through number na wase no adaroma in Sabeka na new studios so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so now another day I came across a video and I'm watching on social media and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now me share video no I decided me for free say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadian Bay I will say youth of it like youth or mind be Addo more rebellious politicians now of a sudden their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
What group happened anymore? Which should not have happened in the same in the first place. And I don't want to do a Kenufuriata. Say, Kenufuriata ko fa lawyer be a lawyers no. If we ask omo ye, chess omo ye. Top notches. Lawyers say, cause we are seeing na lawyer mu lawyer no. Ebi no Kenufuriata ko fa. Never man some na ye din. Also, obey the best. Addo has someone say, so when Jimmy prove say Addo for 47 million, cry no prove say Addo for Ghana 1 CD cry or achieve the aim. Abba. Politicians in TRD we as say. Me nim say Ghana high or political party or lifespan. 4 years. Abro so atwamwa no 8 years. But President Mahama otisunei am ye hunu say one term cry it me 2 am na ye one term it me 2 oba one term na say Ghana for so modern monzo ania it me 2 na niamo yam hui niamo ye enti kire bi sa ban sesa na foforo so ba na say oyam efense NDC for dear attorney general wo ye ya mo be ka sen me de aban sika ni me ho aban mi bia ni me ho be am tie na am tie Dr. Sekwame despite son kaso abreme.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the aura has nothing. The aura is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault. That if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right?
Yeah.
You know, a pastor came and gave me a contract to go and insult a president of Ghana somewhere. And I said, this is a big thing that I can't do it. And even when you go through, my mom is an adopted child, which the president, my mom is from the president's side, which the president that I'm talking is Nana Akufo-Addo.
Wow.
This thing happened at the time Nana Akufo-Addo was a president. There are certain things I don't want to go to that point because it's something that was uncalled for. And such a man that I respect so much, I was shocked that such a man can give me that contract to go and do. So I said...
wait, I want to understand it well. So the pastor reached out to you and wanted you to do a song.
No.
To insult the president,
No.
or he wanted you to do it verbally.
Verbally.
Honorable Anodompre, Daddy. Uni with team, money mutu. Yanko ponshira o papa. Yasisa o yampi wa ensawama duajira sehen. Yanko ponshira o papa. Yadi ya mabunu no yafra o Samson of our time. Woni ya wiye bremu Samson. These are the sum of situational. Ya ma menom ni ya papa no ma omo grounds, omo fam. Ya tikrom ha, ya se dollar kofom. Dia na dollar. Impact bay na dollar wo ewo Ghana fo ya setena mu ni abrabo so. Ene ko busa businessman fo a ekra no ma fra brochire situation omu komu wo port. Ni dwirimu a ekoso. Ene wo mu nyina anu omu ho, omu ntimi ma out meka. Say bi ni ehia mo, enya TV so ni radio station so dabi kuani nu ntimi nka ne hawa wo namu nkirew. MPP and woman be saying na ya lacking to honorable me hunu ni amenye. Mu amu betua akuafo ka akuafo do wo mumuro no omo no baya muko ye no omo ka 14 million one bag of maize enso no omunya atofo mo to and 3 million omunya ni nyina ne se NDC aban se na de brize no obekwa akofa aburo kronunti obewia kobunko ntaso akoto aburo bag baako 1 billion. Because ye timito one television set 8.something billion ewo man we mu. Yan koto bro wo Brazil na ye bunkonta ye tumia bugana fo. Na ye tuwo man we mu enipa no bia koje bosia do bro ne mo ye nya tofo mo nto na NDC aban to bro free Brazil neba. Adaya ya de ma ye port na mo nto. Ghana fo free ye poultry farm bepem ne. Nkosia ye di ni krom ha free tete bepem ne. Ena de Brazil mom na wose ye to aburo ma ye nkokọ. Adwene krono adwene. Yet wo man we mu yankasa ya maamenom ne ya papa no ma do aburo enya atofo ete wose ye kra aburo free Brazil. Enya politics ni yo eno ma bi wo ho a ekoso aban we ya breso abufu time sabi nyansa bia ni ho a ewom ti krom ho kra bro free Brazil ona bu nyame nhira o mokura mo basabi mo ba ye ma akuafo timi ton o no baye enya sika to o mu botom no koko akuafo mo pagya o mu koko buo mu etua o mo ka no yenya nipa no mu bi mo tisi fom eko insight akuafo dada o mu abapem ne kuani nsanka ni sika na mo de amotete radio station so TV station so ade na mo ye we need you people on the ground ye hear mo grounds na Ghana fo esu Ghana fo adwadifo esu Ghana fo akuafo esu asukufo nkwade esu we need you people on the ground adwuma no wo fom ukọ fom ho a sane akuafo ka omo ha no na Ghana fo hu sampa weni no ma ekoso ya TV station so na mokwa omo ya dollar hu debate dollar rate hu debate ade emfaso na de owo akosimintim ne ye wote adwira kwa medanso dora wo eyewo na brabom emfaso be na dora ewo na brabo so ye hia mo grounds ye hia mo grounds abambone enkrofo we ya mebu man yo Ghana fo eno na ya me ya dabi munya fom agudie omo ba ye efom agudie na omo hwehwe yes dwoma ma ne nua efom agudie ne ye pe asesa ne nyina akogugu adie me nua no mo amugu sirem mo hwehwe situation amonam enne ebro bayire beans ene bayire eno na mo de bom ho bra mo hwehwe de amonam ne me se dwoma ma o mebu man me ka kire mo ene da ho no ono na busua me ya wawie na busua me ya wawie gonja mafia na busua me ya wawie asa akuafo ya adwuma ehia atofo dabi ewasi yakwa bro free Brazil na ye de akoya nkonta bu Ghana fo sika ne dwirima ye dinti ye nto Ghana fo aburo ye tikrom ha ya nya banya wase won toga na Brazil wo asase papa chen Ghana Brazil na ono na asase wura ne sere ayi ahwede nko na odedo no Brazil wo asase chen Ghana Brazil wo asase chen Ghana ewia be ka kire yese galamsenti yensa ase asaya yentumi mfanya ayi ti ekoto aburo afri Brazil obi tisra so timpomu wansamire Addo forest green ya noda adua bro onya atofo wo se Brazil aburo na ye akronfo Brazil wa asase ya de do aburo papa chen Ghana wa asase ya de do mo papa chen Ghana NDC akronfo aban Brazil wa asase papa chen Ghana
NDC mpanimfo amuni munyansa you are the ones I blame na NDC ntiase ese munya special I'm be honest here. I'm a family one example. Say, mpanimfo no bi. Me frem wo amonfa no. Me hia wo hwi o. Anabisi o. Me nua ba anabisi o. Me ka say me nua ba because me maame firstborn e wo 54 years. Ono ye pe. Enti wo ye me nua ba pani. 2 years ago na ye campaign na me no kasa me twa interview how mama me twa interview me no na me ne won tam ye fine me ba Ghana na ye hia kama me ni nkoto be hia kama ye hia wo ye bisa osika ye bisa aka pre ma this ready a me de to wanim na ye ba ko pe ene say enye me last born ye last born Minua ba ketua odi machi oko private nursing owie school na adwuma ba ye problem enti se mubetimi aboa no na in case e bia mo fa nurses na se mubetimi di ni din ahim amamia eno pene ma de sre dia me de to wanim manka se me hia post to be manka se me pe abochire bi akọ eno pe ene ma de sre die me de to ma me wanim if you ho me free Ghana eba ha me free wo a wo fa bi me send no message you don't even read me nim se me free wo asem bi o wadwen ye o se me be sre me wan so me sre skada me NDC ni bi e di ko amatwefo na afre no ebisa ne sikada nobody me can come out and say chairman free me na o se ohia boa ohia ska nobody not even my senior Kevin Taylor. I'm saying it again. Me see nobody, not even my senior Kevin Taylor. So Kevin Taylor Agyeta, which of course Agyeta, e onua kasa na kumemu. E na odi chair me, man sre no. Me nya sesrefo. Enti ye frem mu na se mo mfa. E mama dwen nya mo say ye frem mu say ye hia bibi o. Fefe na efe. Se me no ntembe kama. Fefe na efe say na ye adwumaden. Enya ye nko social media for mainstream media for Ghana for the youth devoted themselves and their time. Eye adwumade boa NDC and esa youth no e dia ade na omonsa aka. What have they gotten? Nothing. Can't promise any NDC member say meboa me campaign and as me kasa dia boa NDC. I can't promise. NDC mean TV because of musubai. With musem what thing, with trim what thing, why you say chin say barry. When they create do at panty, no problem. me ano so boxer credo kotokuro pa de dem mo de montena se na mutiri mu nya den na mo no matamfo na omo a edo NDC monto ye ntwene ohene baba oba ni na anu ya ba ye video ka se ye frem okura mo mfa biem Nurudi na bas mu nyina na ye ne mwa na ekọ na eba o ene
adwini future obetimi ko gina adokro ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo beka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese mu hu no kura wei na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni